Hi, my name is Sarah Waldner, and I'm the Senior Product Manager for the Monitor stage here at GitLab. Welcome to On-Call Schedules. On-Call Schedule Management is a part of the larger product, Incident Management. We added on-call schedules to GitLab to help response teams automate the distribution of on-call responsibilities, which we all know to be very stressful. You can now rely on GitLab to automate the routing of alerts to the right person at the right time. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an on-call schedule. So within GitLab, I've navigated to the operations section and clicked on on-call schedules. I'm going to go ahead and add a schedule. For the first iteration of this feature set, you'll be able to add a single schedule to each GitLab project. So I lead the GitLab SRE team here at GitLab. So I'm going to name my schedule, description. All right, and then I'm going to select a time zone. So the time zone for your schedule is an important component of creating the schedule. It sets the UTC offsets for all of your rotations and shifts. So I'm going to base this out of the Pacific time zone. Okay, so next up is adding rotations to your schedule. Rotations are where you actually add your team members in the order at the time intervals that you want to create your schedule. So clicking to add a rotation, give it a name. I have two rotations for my schedule. First one is going to be for my first responders, people who respond to mitigate the problem that's happening. So I'm going to call it first responders. Now I'm going to add my team members. So I've got 5 of them. There we go. By typing in this box, you have fuzzy matching for everyone's names. And then almost there. Okay, so I've got 5 people on my team. On-call is very active for our team, so our rotations are short, 3 days long. And my schedule is going to get started, let's see, today is April 6th. Actually, it's going to start in the middle of the week, so I'm going to set the start date to be Monday, which was yesterday, but the schedule will still set up and orient correctly. And this is going to be in 9 a.m. will be the handoff. I also have the ability to enable an end date and to restrict the time intervals, which is useful if you have a business hours schedule. I've added the rotation and I can see the view laid out here in 14 days at a time. So I'm going to add another rotation also within my team. I have incident managers that are always on call and ready to step in and assist in a firefight if needed. So I'm going to add myself, my other 2 managers. Okay, so since this is more for awareness from the management perspective, we are on call for a week at a time. And I'm also going to set this to start on April 5th. Handoff will also be at 9 a.m. So as you can see, I've got my schedule set up here. The red line indicates the time that is now. When an alert is received by GitLab, the individuals who are on call now will receive a page via email. Thank you very much for watching.